Hi, this lesson will be looking at resource naming. It is important to follow naming conventions to make your REST API look professional, easy to use, and readable. It is not advised to treat your resources as an action, like a verb, but rather treat them like a thing, a noun. The main reason is that nouns have properties, but verbs don't. This is an example of resources. The http api.examples.com/users, and also the second one too. It's always advised to use nouns instead of verb to represent resources. To simplify this further, let's discuss 4 different types of resources, which will help you to choose a correct naming convention for your API. So we have the document, which is one type of resources. This type of resource is a singular concept, an object. Just picture an object. In REST API, you can view that you can get it as a single resource inside the collection. Use singular name to imply document resource type. You can see from this example on the screen, the names are singular. Okay, so the next resource is the collection. A collection resource is a directory where singular files are kept. It returns a list. The collection allows you to add or remove known resources. Use a plural name to imply a collection resource type, just like the one on the screen. We also have the store resource. A store resource is a directory in which a user, that is a client, decides when to add or remove from there. Use a plural name to imply a store resource type. And finally, we have the controller resource. A controller resource is an action concept. Controller resource act like functions which may take parameters as an input and returns an output using a verb. Use a verb to imply a controller resource type. It's always advised to follow best practices in order to design easy to use API.